how to create account on Wise. If you want to create an account on Wise, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Wise application, as you'd be able to find here. Once you launch the Wise app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now from here, basically what you have to do is tap on the get started button, and if you already have an account, you can go to the login option, but if you don't, you can just tap on the register button, as you'd be able to find. Then in the email address section, you have to simply go ahead and then make sure to basically enter the email address that you want to use for your Wise account right here. So I'll just go ahead and then enter that. And basically once you choose an email address for yourself, you can tap on continue. It might send a verification code or a link to that email, so you also want to make sure to verify that. And after you've done that, you want to open your email to approve it, then create your password and follow up with other instructions to create your account on the Wise app. This way you will be able to create an account on Wise. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.